This module is on recruitment and how do you find or establish an applicant pool. We want to get a pool of candidates that are qualified with respect to the knowledge, skills, and abilities that fit the job. We also want candidates whose interests and values fit those of the organization. So we will be talking about person job fit, person organization fit. If we don't have those two types of fits, we find that candidates may become disenchanted on the job, they can't do the job, they don't have the required skills for it, or they do not like the values of the organization they're working for. Part of the process of recruitment when we're trying to hire people is to make sure that they have accurate expectations about what the job is like and what life in the organization is like. As part of this, we develop different strategies for improving the accuracy of information we give to job candidates. One process is called realistic job expectations. And what we want candidates to know is both the positives and the negatives of the job and the organization. Now, we have to balance that because we don't want it to seem overly negative. We don't want to scare off people, but we want them to understand, how accurate, what the accurate expectations are, how long it might take to get a promotion, what the requirements are, what the values of the organization are. So that's part of the process and part of what we'll be discussing in this module. Secondly, what we're going to look at is how do we recruit people? Because we want to get a large enough applicant pool that we can be sure enough to have candidates that have the required abilities, skills, and knowledge that we're looking for. We'll look at different recruitment sources that are used, and things such as advertisement, job fairs, and so on. But most importantly, we're also going to be looking at e-recruiting, recruiting on the internet, which has become extremely important in today's job market. So we'll take a look at all these different sources, and we'll look at the pros and cons of using those different recruitment sources. Thank you.